And I'm of Canada, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm gonna show you how to disable control panel with every Windows, like Windows 11, Windows 10, or everyone's. So let's get started.
Maybach music.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me? 'Cause I just wanna say
Now, first of all, keep Windows logo with R in your keyboard. Here, write GP edit, group policy edit, GP edit .msc like this. Click enter. Now administrative, control panel, enter. Here, prohibit access to control panel and PC setting. Enter. When you click enter, this panel will appear for you. Enable. Click on OK. Now close this. Open control panel. Right. For example, right click here. Go to control panel. For example, in Windows 11, here is no control panel. When here, right control. Click enter. Yes. Restriction. Here, it gives you a notification that this operation has been cancelled or this is locked. Restriction. Here, click OK. Now, Windows logo with R, GP edit, here, administrative, control panel, prohibit access to control panel and PC setting. Enter. Yes. Not configured. Click on OK just. Here, Windows logo with R, right control. Now enter. Here, see guys, I can change the control panel and I enable it. So like this, I can change it. Yes. By this way, you can disable control panel from someone that no one can change. So if you really enjoyed from my videos, please share, like, subscribe for more. And if you want to learn the techniques of computer, subscribe my channel. And if you have any problem, just write on comment section below. That will accept. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.
wow.